So now moving to our question number 4, it is that a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So what is here that a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level. Now to show this, I am just going to draw a rough diagram here. So now imagine that this is the sea level, this is the sea level, and now what is here that the plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter above the sea level, 5000 meters. So this is the height of the aeroplane, and the submarine is floating at 1200 meter below the sea level. It means 1200 meter below the sea level. Now we have to find out the vertical distance between them. Now what does vertical distance mean? Vertical distance means that we have to find out this distance, meaning the depth, meaning the height on which the aeroplane is flying, plus the depth in which the submarine is floating. Now let us just solve this question. To solve this question, we will write here plane flying at height. Now at what height is the plane flying? The plane is flying at 5000 meter. So now depth submarine floating. Now what is the depth in which submarine is floating? Now if the height of the plane flying is represented by a positive integer, then the depth of submarine floating will be represented by a negative integer. So depth submarine floating will be minus 1200 meter. Okay, so now let us solve this. We have to find out the vertical distance between them. So now we will write here vertical distance, which we have to find out. Now I have said to you that if you want to find out the vertical distance between them, then what we will do, we will add 5000 and 1200. But now you would notice that I do it like this, 5000 plus minus 1200, then it will be wrong because plus minus is minus, so it would be like this, minus 1200. So the answer would be wrong. So to solve this question, I am not writing it like this, I would write it like this. 5000 minus 1200. So now why I have written this is because 5000 minus plus, so it would be like 5000 minus plus 12,000 meter. So 5000 plus 1200, 0 0 0 0 0 0 202, and 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 6200 meter. So in this way we have solved our question number 4. Now moving to question number 5.